you are going to love the 2020 Toyota Sienna. Sienna offers excellent overall quality and long-term dependability, making it a hassle-free vehicle to drive day in and day out while contributing to peace of mind on long road trips. Add a refined and fuel-efficient V6 engine, a smooth ride, and upscale interior accommodations to the mix, and it's easy to see that Sienna is built with the whole family in mind. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power liftgate, power passenger seat, traction control, dual airbags, alloy wheels, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, electronic stability control, CD player, security system, compass, fog lights, power windows, trip computer, heated front seats, rear window defroster, brake assist, tachometer, power moonroof. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.